Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can easily download any Facebook ad from the Meta Ads library easily with just a few clicks. You don't need any external software for this, so let's get started. So what I want to do is just specify the country and the ad that you want to find. So specify here. So whatever ad you like, what you will do is just search for the ad that you want to download and just scroll down. If you like the ad, you can click on see the ad details, and here is the video that you want to download. So this is the video that I want to download. So what I'll do now is right click here and click on inspect. And from inspect, what I want to do is just search for this option which says SRC, that means source equal to. So if you can't find in this long code, what you will do is just head over to the bottom area, and here you will find this reference. Just make sure that it has the SRC equal to sign, that means source document with it. So after the confirmation, just double click here. It's gonna open this source file, and from the HTTPS reference, just start copying up till this point. Just don't copy the inverted commas. Whatever is between the inverted commas, just select that and just head over to a new tab and paste it right here. And there you go. This is the complete video that you wanted to download. Now just click on these three dots and click on download the video. Just specify your video name and you are good to go. Save it and let's play it now. So guys, that's how easy it is to download the video from Facebook ads library. It can save you a lot of time, and I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.